Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Farmer. Today we are discussing about Polkadot, a scalable, interoperable, open source and secure network funded by Web3 Foundation. Polkadot was founded by Gavin Wood, who is also a co-founder of Ethereum. To understand how Polkadot works, assume Polkadot as a base layer which leverages scalability, security and interoperability to ParChains. ParChains are layer 1 blockchains which were built on top of Polkadot. Any parachain can access Polkadot scalability, security, and interoperability. These layer 1 blockchains were mostly application specific, and these parachain developers can completely focus on developing their app without worrying about the scalability. Let's look how Polkadot works and exchange information between parachains, which is a messenger between parachains. So let's take example as Kilt. Yeah, just a minute, guys. So opening the page. So yeah, for example, Kilt built a protocol on Polkadot primarily focused on decentralized identity, whereas Polymech it is primarily focused on fundraising. Polymech need to verify users on-chain who wants to participate in fundraising. They can easily integrate Kilt solution to their blockchain instead of wasting resources and time to build another identity solution. In this way, developers can focus on their primary objectives while leveraging the resources built on Polkadot for their secondary objectives. So yes, in the same way, there are other applications as well, such as, just a second. So yes, the other applications are Moonbeam, primarily focused on DeFi, BitCountry, primarily focused on Metaverse, Aster, focused on multi-chain smart contracts, Fala, focused on privacy, Akala, focused on enterprise DeFi. Then comes Bitfrost, focused on liquid staking and can communicate securely and exchange information in a hassle-free manner. So one of the main reason, guys, why enterprises like Volkswagen, Vodafone, Deloitte, and Shell are partnered with Polkadot ecosystem projects is because enterprises need to have fixed operating costs irrespective of market condition, which Ethereum cannot provide. So how Polkadot is different from its peers? So Ethereum is not specifically optimized for any application, which is with its primary focus on EVM for executing smart contracts. So while Polkadot is shared on blockchain specifically, designed to provide scalability and a security to parachains, which are application specific, blockchains and inherit security through Polkadot relay chain. So while Polkadot and Cosmos looks like they work in the same way, they were minor differences. Polkadot connects parachains through Polkadot relay chain, and if one of the parachain needs to reorganize, the entire parachain should be reorganized too. Whereas Cosmos communicate through interblockchain communication, and chains were termed as zones. Reorganization of one zone is independent with other zones. So yes, then we are moving on to yeah. So then we are moving on to Avalanche. Both Polkadot and Avalanche are application specific blockchains. Avalanche consists of three chains, which is X chain, P chain, and C chain, which is comparable to relay chain on Polkadot. While smart contracts can only be written on parachain, smart contracts can only deployed on AVAX base layer. Now we are discussing about developers activity. Polkadot has second most developers to Ethereum in blockchain space and is one of the most active blockchain on GitHub. Now we are going to see about the adoption. So entire adoption is at fast pace. So yes, now we are discussing about adoption. Entire adoption is at fast pace on Polkadot with partners like Deloitte integrating with Kilt, identity blockchain, and then for example Sony, which is with Aster. Then Douche Bank is actively participating in Polkadot ecosystem. So these are some of the adoptions. So coming to parachains. A total of 48 parachains running on Polkadot seamlessly and with recent Polkadot 2.0 vision. They were trying to increase parachain slots to 1000. So if we consider the inflation as well, one of the primary concern of Polkadot is high inflation. Inflation is nearly around 10%, and it is interesting to see how team deals with the current inflation model. On the whole, Polkadot is in long haul and extremely focused on enterprise adoption. So yes, this is all about today, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So yes, thank you guys. Take care.